Evaluate the expression 2x squared plus x plus 6 for the given values of x below. So the math vocabulary word here is the word evaluate, which means come up with one number. However, we're given the expression, so given expression, and then we're given the x values. So if you look at example A, x is equal to 3. So the evaluate means, in a way, substitute x with 3. So x will be substituted 3 inside that expression, and you would use order of operation, and that's why the word evaluate will come up with one answer. So in this video, I'm going to do example A, and then you guys going to do the other ones on your own. So what you want to do is copy, so example A, so copy the given expression, and we're going to say we're substituting for x equals 3. Actually, let me do the -2, so I'm going to actually do letter B, so that I'll do the harder and you could do the easier, and basically leave space. So in this case, I'm going to now substitute x with -2. So let's make sure we do that. Okay, so x equals -2. So I'm copying what's given, so 2, and instead of x, I'm going to use parentheses, and power of 2 stays. So inside the parentheses, I'm replacing x with -2. Now I'm going to continue writing the expression. So we have plus, but I see x again, so I'm using parentheses for substitution, and I'm substituting again with -2. And then the last one says plus 6. So this step is called substitution. So after I do the substitution, I want to use order of operation. So looking at the different terms, so the pluses are the ones, the pluses and the minuses are the ones that separate the terms. So I want to do the adding and subtracting last. So adding or subtracting last. So order of operation. So I want to do exponent. So right here I have 2, and then the exponent needs to be done first. So 2 times is a copy, and I have a -2 squared, which means -2 times itself. And when you have a negative times negative, that becomes positive, and then 2 times 2 is 4. So the parentheses become 4, and I have 2 times 4, so the 2 is repeated until I do the basically the exponent. Now the other term says plus -2. I could leave it as is right now, and then plus 6. Now I want to multiply, so 2 times 4 first. So what is that number? So write it down, and then you would be able to do the adding and subtracting from left to right. So finish that problem B on your own, and then go back to do A, C, and D to practice.